Welcome to Emus. This begins a bonus video series during the month of December with themes and co-hosts, and obviously, because of the current times, the co-hosts will be their own channel in their own home, but we were both cooking with the same agreed upon ingredient or theme. Today's theme is corn. Today's co-host is Alex the Alchemist. Episode 16, Corn Chowder. Oh, hello, I didn't see you there. 8 slices of bacon cut into strips, 2 diced medium onions, 1 jalapeno, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 8 large gold potatoes peeled and diced, 2 bay leaves, some sliced chives, and the star of the show, 32 ounces of corn I used frozen because I could not find on the cob, and the show must go on. Let's get started. Extra virgin olive oil. Toss in all that bacon and crisp it up. Once crispy, scoop out just the bacon. And then toss in the onion and jolly into the rendered fat. Saute for 5 minutes. Then add the garlic, saute for a few more minutes. Bay leaves, half the potatoes, and half of the corn, and top them all off with 2 quarts of chicken stock. And bring them to a boil, then simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Or until the potatoes are cooked. Fish out the bay leaves, break out an immersion blender, or blend in batches in a regular standing blender until everything is nice and smooth. Then add the second half of potatoes, 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of chipotle powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add the rest of the corn, 1 cup of heavy cream. Add some salt and pepper. Simmer until the second wave of potatoes finish cooking. You're ready to go. Throw some in a bowl. Top with the crispy bacon and chives. And enjoy this creamy, delicious soup. The only thing I would change for next time is more potatoes and corn and bacon. Like more everything. Sorry, backup audio. So, thank you for watching. Go check out today's lovely co-host. It will be in the channel description below. Why not follow?